I just saw a video that Trump has brought in the white immigrants who are being poorly mistreated in their country, so he wants to save them. You Latinos for Trump, come to the front. Come to the front, you disgraceful pieces of shit, you. What an embarrassment you are to our people, to our culture, to our ancestors, who fought with their freaking lives against this very same regime that you got up, got dressed with your own right and your own free will, and voted for this fucking piece of shit president that's here now. And we all, as a whole, the Hispanic community, get looped in with you all. As, oh, your people voted for him. Because you want to be white aligned so fucking badly. You know that when Christopher Columbus went to put the island of Puerto Rico, I'm talking to Boricuas right now. When he went to the island of Puerto Rico, he found the Taino people to be so warm and welcoming and giving that he went back to Spain and told the king, yo, give me 50 soldiers, I can take over the whole island. These people are giving to a fault. He went over there and captured all the natives, and you piece of shit voted for the same type of motherfuckers. I'm so pissed. I can't even stop cursing. There's not even a word to describe what I think about you Latinos for Trump. There's no, because you are disgraceful beyond measure. And to get a pat on the head that you didn't even get. You're nothing more than for a white man. And I'm talking to men and women alike.
Latinos are angry with Trump. Latinos are angry with the white South Africans that just entered the United States. Latinos are angry at everyone. They are so angry that they are so angry at themselves. Yes, most especially those ones that did not vote for DJT. They are so angry at their fellow Latinos that voted for DJT. They cannot help themselves but come out on the internet and embarrass themselves on how angry they are and how disappointed they are in DJT, that how dare he allow the white Afrikaners into the United States when he is deporting them. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Natkuna S. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section about today's topic.
Have you guys noticed how many Latino influencers are not speaking up? They talk about their raza, their food, dance, the clothing, the makeup, but not one word about what's happening to the gente, to the raza. Not a peep. I have a few theories. Let me tell you two. One, they voted for him. Plain and simple. So they're not going to say nothing. And two, they're afraid of losing followers. You're afraid of losing racist followers? You're afraid of losing self-hating Latinos? Losing Latinos who are cheering on other Latinos getting deported, families being torn apart, mixed households being left without the parent, kids with cancer being sent away, U.S. citizens deported, kidnapped. You would rather pander to that group. And now for the rest of you, why are you still supporting them? They haven't said one thing about what is going on, and you're still there watching their videos, liking their stuff. I told you MAGA does not know what they believe in. Say we make everything about race. Donald Trump got rid of the refugee program. Rid of it. Dunzo. No more people in our country. And MAGA's like, yeah. Even the brown people, the brown Latinos for Trump, yeah. But then the Trump administration has decided to let in white South Africans. And it's not even about race. They're making it about race. They have to be white. You can come to the U.S. if you're white. We will roll out the red carpet. We will fly our planes over there and buy you plane tickets. And you know how wrong this is? The Episcopal Church just announced we're done helping refugees with the Trump administration. Why? Because you're allowing white South Africans in and not Afghans, not Venezuelans running away from corruption. And stay tuned, more white South Africans are coming.
As Latinos across America, some who have been here all their life, have done the right thing, go to their appointments, to do the right things, and then be arrested at their appointments. And then some who just go to work and live their daily lives day by day, graduate from high school, go to college, not committing criminal acts, working jobs and paying taxes like everybody else. Yet this administration, they're racist ass thugs, go and kidnap these people, make their kids cry, and then we're going to welcome open arms. these people right here. If this ain't all out racism, I don't know what is.
So yesterday, we received a plane with 54 white South Africans refugees. Now, I don't know a lot about what's going on in South Africa, but I do know that these 54 refugees are claiming discrimination in South Africa by the government. They're claiming that the government is stealing their land. Now, if you don't know what happened in South Africa, let me tell you. South Africa had this thing called apartheid. The apartheid only ended 30 years ago. It's not that long ago. The apartheid is pretty much what segregation was here in the United States. It was whites only, blacks only. During this time, the government stole a lot of land from black South Africans and gave it to the white South Africans. Now, there is a black president in South Africa, and he wants to give the stolen land back to the rightful owners, back to the family that it originally belonged to. He's trying to do this the legal way. The white South Africans don't like this, and they're claiming that the government is stealing their land that they stole from black South Africans, and they're saying it's racism. White South Africans still hold a lot of the power in the country. Okay? Yes, they're the minority, but they hold a lot of power and they hold a lot of the wealth. They also get paid a lot more than the black South Africans. So, Elon Musk, a South African, that's white, convinced the Trump administration to grant refugee status to these white South Africans that are being discriminated and persecuted because they're white. And it's very ironic that they're giving refugee status to white people who are fleeing violence and persecution, while simultaneously removing the refugee status from people of color who are also fleeing violence and persecution. So it's not about that they don't want immigrants or help refugees. They just don't want to help the brown and black people that need it. But the white ones, it's okay. They need our help. And I'm not saying that the South Africans that are coming here should not be allowed to come. They should. If they want to come and move here, absolutely come. I'm just saying, give the same opportunities to the black and brown people. And if you don't think that the black and brown people should have the same opportunities as the white refugees that are coming, well, you're just racist.
Latinos crying envious. They are envying the white South Africans. It is the way Latinos are so angry that DJT literally rolled out an entire plane to bring these white South Africans. Like, they're so complaining, like, how dare you even give them a plane? Like, a refugee is supposed to be here and they're supposed to come to your offices asking for refuge, but you looked for these people. You literally allow them. Like, what kind of a refuge comes to the United States with 5 suitcases?